How to search filters on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of Instagram. So here you can see there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Instagram. So tap on open, and as you tap on open, it will land us to the home page or your account. So just make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen and then tap on the story. Now, as you tap on story, you'll be able to see there are different filters. Now, if you have to search for new filters or get more new effects on Instagram, simply swipe it and drag it to the very right. So here you can see the search bar or the magnifying glass icon. Here you can see there are different other filters over here. You can search for trending filters regarding appearance, aesthetic, games, special effects, or anything like that. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.